these are all the tools I used. 14, 18, extension, 10, 13, 8, 10, 12, 19, and if you want to make it easier, use one of these. Part number is right there. You're also going to need a 10mm wrench. This is for your flywheel. I use the biggest one. I'm going to show you how to take these out. They're simple, so you're going to want to put a 14mm wrench underneath, and then a 10mm up here. Hold that wrench tight while you're breaking it loose, and then it should come out really nice. There's a clip right there on that side and a clip right there on that side. If you push it down, it kind of like splits apart. And after it splits apart, it should pop right out. All right, and after that pops up, you can have that little piece right there. Do not lose this piece. Very small. It just holds in to the center, right on that little lip right there. And then once you got that off, you can drop that. After getting them out, this is what it looks like. That's everything that comes out of it. Now, we're going to do these. So it is pretty simple to do. All you gotta do, and then you go ahead and throw this one on top of it. You wanna go ahead and get a 10mm wrench. Kind of hard to record and do, but ratchets on that inside, and then the 10mm on the inside, and you want to just tighten it up, and then eventually when it's tight, you can just back it right off. Now that these two are smushed together, one won't move, so you will be able to twist it right off. And then it will come right off. The far left stud is actually longer than the right stud. And there we go. Came up. Now to do it on that one. All the side cover bolts are 10mm. Once you take that off, you're going to have a gaping hole in the side. Well, can't have that. So what I'm going to do is cut the wire right here and just put the old piece of plastic back in. There you go, good as new.